This model kit review is of the Ferrari 458 Italia, and I've got some very nice box art here. I can kind of show you the sprues there. It's a 1/24 scale model by Fujimi, and those are some of the colors needed. Here, let's open up our box and let's have a look and see what's inside. Okay, well, let's start with the body first. Let's have a look at that. And that is beautifully molded. Absolutely phenomenal. Mold lines you can't even feel. The recessed panel lines are very well done. And just a tremendous amount of surface detail. That's just beautifully molded. We've got axle, looks like one axle here, I guess because maybe the wheels are going to steer. We've got some soft tires here with some nice tread, and some poly caps. Okay, this sprue here, we've got our floor pan chassis with molded in diffuser at the back, and we've got our wheel wells there. There's our engine air cover and air intake. That's the engine bay cover there, very nicely molded. Here we've got our disc brakes. Here's the other side with the calipers and the hubs molded on. That's going to be for the steering. Here's our steering rack. Over here we've got our chrome parts, and beautifully molded and painted chrome wheels. Unfortunately, we do have some flashing right there, which has chrome all over it. That's a pity. Just scrape that and paint it. Here we've got some additional chrome parts. Now this is a different type of chrome, very shiny. Here we've got our mirrors, which you want to be shiny, and our brake calipers there. This is our for our gear change, exhaust there, and pedal box. Okay, here we've got the bumper, rear bumper. Exhaust will go out there. We've got some skirts, some more body panels here, and then our side mirrors. Nice details and very nicely molded. Here we've got our glass, also beautifully molded, nice and clear. There's no warping. Does look like it's a bit scratched though. Need to be buffed, unfortunately. There's our rear glass with diffuser, it's a defroster there, and then our lights, rear glass there. Okay. And here is our cockpit with molded in seat bottoms and central console. Here we've got the backs of the seats, and I'm not sure if those are going to be visible or not, the back, but I like to fill them if they are. Here's our steering wheel and column. Headlights there. Parts of the seats there as well. And dashboard. We've got some windshield wipers. Rear view mirror there. And then some engine parts, very limited engine parts there. There is our dashboard. very nicely molded. There are the decals, and let's have a look at our instructions. Okay, there are the colors needed, and some details about the car, painting and decal guide there, the parts listing, and then we've got the axles going together with steering and the wheel hubs. Then we've got our engine parts going on, as well as our steering wheels and tires going on. Now we're putting together the rear wheel wells and mounting our tires and wheels. Then we've got the interior with the seats, and that all goes onto the interior of the cockpit. And we've got our steering column and dashboard. Then that's the engine bay covers going together there. We mount all of that onto the chassis and the engine bay covers as well. Now we're putting our glass in, and that's part of our rear bumper, front bumper. That's all then mounted on the body here, along with all the extra little pieces. There's our headlights. Okay, here we've got the rest of the body parts going on. Rear lights, headlight covers, side mirrors, and so on. And then finally mount the body onto the chassis. So all in all, beautifully molded. Great level of molding. Details pretty good. Obviously wish there was some more engine parts, but it is just a beautiful model.